Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be painting a very simple landscape. I haven't painted them in a while and I used to love painting dreamy landscapes at night. So for this painting I wanted like something with a little bit of wildflowers and a little bit of a forest setting. And this is actually very simple. It only took about 15 minutes to paint this whole thing before editing all the blank spaces out. So first I start by drawing this tree in the background just using a simple paintbrush and then outlining it. And then I'm going to fill up this space with Prussian blue and a bit of Payne's grey to make it darker since it's like going to be a night scene. I'm using quite minimal colors in this painting compared to my usual ones because I'm trying to do a little more color blocking in this and a little bit more experimenting. So I'm just going to paint this whole part in Payne's grey and Prussian blue. And the background for the night sky I'm going to be using cobalt blue. This painting is actually quite straightforward because there's no blending done. It's just color, solid color on solid color. Once this part is done, off camera I just painted across another layer so that it has a much more solid finish. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of details, and over here I switched to a size 000 paintbrush. So I'm going to draw these tall stems coming out and adding foliage below. So I'm using the colors for this are the same, which is Prussian blue and Payne's grey, so it looks as if the whole thing is in the background joined as one. The detailing for this is quite loose in that sense. It doesn't have to be too accurate because it's just in the background. And I'm trying to paint the foxglove flowers here. So just kind of like mimic the shape of it will do. Just draw them slanting in different direction to give it this much more like wild, untamed look. Now we're going to move to the foreground, which should be the highlight of it. I'm using turquoise green for this. So I'm just going to draw the leaves here and kind of paint them like in a fan shape. So on the left side the leaves are facing the left, in the middle facing upwards, and on the right facing the right. Now using a size 00 angular brush, I'm going to add a few more branches in ivory white, just very thin delicate branches, and at the tip of the brush I'm going to add a little bit of leaves. Now for the flowers here I'm going to use pink and white. So pink mixed with white, you get this pale pink, and I'm going to add the pale pink foxglove flowers here, or maybe lily of the valleys. It looks like a cross between either one, but you get the idea. Because the color isn't exactly opaque, you might have to add another layer over the pink so that it will be a little bit brighter. And for the finishing touch, use the angular brush again and add a few odd stems here and there with those sharp pointed leaves, and then we're finished. Just peel off the tape and it's done. I hope you like this simple painting. I kind of like it because it's something new with the colors, and I feel it's quite easy to do. Anyway, I hope to see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.